Getting right above the brakes there, he gets the car all rolled up, he misses braking point, and Peter Cook's car at the crahes makes solid contact with the bank on the outside of Camp Corner. Peter Cook's car, having missed his braking point, eventually over-braked and got sideways.
Troy, the bread front, it looks like he's just clipped the tyre walls at the end,
it does, doesn't
at the
it?
end
Yeah.
of the chicane, so presumably lost.
You're going to see it, look. Oh, we just saw the end of it.
It's
Oh,
a
it went
big,
in hard as well.
it's gone up in the air, really quite high. So, most important thing is that we see Luca Halusa is out.
Oh, big twitchy move for Sam Hancock, who's done 2 days testing, but he's just gone beyond, and unfortunately, a wheelie there, 46 has gone at the top of him. That's Mike Whittaker.
Very popular and famous victory, 6.1 litre V12.
Oh, and off into the barriers goes the McLaren.
Oh, and the Ferrari's gone round, Newell's gone round. Oh, doof, he's hit the bank.
That's what happens in traffic. Unfortunately, he's trying to fire it up, but that stayed away from the banding, the rubber banding, for a very long time. He's hooking it up. Let's see what the damage is as he rejoins, riding on board. Oh, the damage is right down the right-hand side of the car.
Quite extensive, I'm afraid.
And that was the car that was fastest on.
And Olivier deliberately demonstrates the cornering limit of the bearer.
Brother can't drive.
Brother can't drive. Well, this charity event is tied into the movie Red Line, which centers around expensive cars, gambling.
Fuck that.
What the fuck, dude? Oh shit, it's smoking.